Hi, I'm Cole Clowater. This video is for AC Scooters, our YouTube account. Hope you like it. It's a How to 270. My friend made How 180, so this is just an add-on. So you get used to the bunny hops, like the J hops or bunny hops, and then you get used to the 90s. And then once you're used to the 180s, so the 180s, then you gotta go bunny hop, J hop, whatever you do, higher, like this. So it's gotta be at least that high. And then once you got that height down, then you gotta 180 from that high. So that one. So that one too. 180 from that high. Then once you're done that, whoops. You gotta use your body for beginner. So use your body and just turn around. And you only want to spin a certain length, because if you overspin it, not a trick unless it's overspun to 360, and we'll do that eventually. So yeah, just get used to the jumps, then spin as far as you can. Hope you liked it. Comment, rate, subscribe.
Have a nice night.